What is going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another how-to cooking video, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the best grilled egg and cheese sandwich. Here's what you're going to need: 2 slices, your favorite kind of bread, whatever, 1 egg. With Donovan around, you always need a second egg because he won't leave you alone unless you cook him one too. Slice of your favorite cheese, some butter, salted or unsalted, whatever you like. I like a rubber spatula. You're going to need a bowl and a fork or a whisk. I use a fork. Cast iron pan is my favorite. I've got the Stargazer 10-inch. My range for the perfect egg temperature, I put it on 3.5, so it's a medium-low heat. And then some Frank's Red Hot. You guys know I put that shit on everything. So while this is heating up, you can go ahead and get your egg ready. Now, I've never tried to crack an egg one-handed into a bowl, so we're going to see how this works out. Not very good. I didn't get any shell in it, and I guess I didn't make any more of a mess than usual, so it's all right. Worked out pretty good. And then you take your fork or your whisk, and I just scramble it up. That's the it cooks the best this way. I know sometimes you like a runny yolk in a sandwich, but for this one, I just scramble it all together. So now that one's ready to go. It's still going to be a minute for this to heat up. You're also going to need a butter knife. And put a generous pat of butter in your pan. Again, I'm using cast iron. For me, it's the best way. It's also the only pan I have. Tiny living, guys. All right, now our pan's heated up. A good way to tell if your pan is hot enough yet is go ahead and touch the handles. Make sure that they're getting warmed up. It's only very cold out here on the end still, so I'm good to go on temperature. Now, even at set on just 3.5, they cook very quick because it's just 1 egg spread out over a 10.5-inch skillet. Just give it another quick whisk because it's been setting for a second, waiting on the thing. Now my stove is a little bit uneven. It tends to lean back this way a little bit, so I know to pour my egg on this side of the pan, and you can see it just spreads itself out. Got some caramelized butter here in the middle. And just that quick, and then you take it and fold it over once that way. Let it sit another minute because that side is taking a hair longer, and then fold it over again. Now you're ready for your cheese. Throw your slice of cheese on top. Then slice of bread. And then take and flip the whole thing over. And then just kind of spin it around a little bit to get the butter on your egg, and then I just the edge, flip that over onto the bread, and then you can put your other piece of bread on top and go ahead and put a little butter on top of there as well. That way when you're ready to flip this sandwich, you've got the butter there to brown up the other side. And this is all in real time. The only time I turned the camera off was during heating up the pan, and that's going to vary on what type of range you're using and what type of pan you're using. So it's very quick to make this, doesn't take much time at all. It's ready to flip over already, that quick. Hell, the only thing I forgot, pull this back up, put my hot sauce on there. I meant to put the hot sauce on prior to putting the second piece of bread on. Franks, you don't know that we're in partnership yet, but get on it, man. Grab a little plate. Check the other side, and it's pretty good. Now, the sandwich is done, but remember, I said whenever Donovan's around, you got to have a second egg, because Donovan's not going to let you have eggs without him. Not only is he not going to let you have eggs without him, but he's going to gobble his down, and then he's going to beg you for some of yours. He's spoiled. So same thing, just scrambling it up. And then add a little bit more butter to the pan. This ensures it's not going to stick or anything. So now I'm done with the knife, done with the butter. Put that back in the butter compartment. And then I like to get the butter distributed on the whole pan. All right, now done with the bowl and the fork now. Same thing for Donovan's egg. Once it gets a little bit done on one side, fold it over in half. Fold it over in half the other way into quarters. And then for Donovan's, I take the spatula and I just give it a little bit of a chop up. It's that simple. Now, give his bowl a quick rinse, because his breakfast, he had his breakfast in this bowl. Drop the egg in his bowl. Turn the stove off. Done with the spatula now. And so now we give it the taste test and see if it is in fact the best grilled egg and cheese sandwich. Well, I don't know if it's the best grilled egg and cheese sandwich for you, but it's the best grilled egg and cheese sandwich for me. So now we'll get Donovan in here to see if these are the best eggs for him. Donovan, come and eat your eggs. Come on, come and eat your eggs. See what you think. Go ahead, eat them. So there you go. It's bowl licking good. Thanks for watching, guys. Donovan and I will see you on the next one.